I got PlayStation 5. And the issue on the disk drive, let's check it. And as you can see, it's unreadable disk, so I think the lens have issue. Let's open it and fix it. And this is the disk drive. Let's open. And this is the lens. This is the old lens and this is a brand new lens. It's available on our shop. Say goodbye to lens. Everything look like excellent. Let's clean that. Let's return everything back and test. Disk drive ready and it's time to test. And as you can see, it's fixable. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.